Welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. Defending champions Clarendon College are steamrolling parish rivals Glenmuir High in the Issa Da Costa Cup final being played at the National Stadium. The Lenny Hyde-coached boys are leading 5-1 in the second half. Prolific striker Kaheem Dixon and Jamil Ashley have each scored twice for the reigning champions. We'll have a comprehensive report on the Da Costa Cup and the Ben Francis Cup finals in Primetime Sports Sunday. Meanwhile, McGraw High captured their first ever schoolboy football title after clipping 2006 winners Frome Technical 1-0 to lift the Issa Ben Francis Cup title earlier this afternoon at the National Stadium. Dante Anderson settled the contest in the 50th minute to hand the Linstead-based school their victory. Now, Mona High etched their name in Manning Cup history on Friday night, becoming the 15th institution to lift the symbol of corporate area schoolboy football supremacy following their victory over Hydel High at the National Stadium.
A new page has been written in the history books at Mona High as they joined an illustrious list of 14 other schools to have lifted the Issa Manning Cup. The journey, which started 3 seasons ago with Craig Butler at the helm, culminated on Friday night as they defeated Hydel High by a 1-0 at the National Stadium. It took 10 minutes for Mona to score their first goal in a final, and it also proved to be the winning goal, as Demarion Harris was the difference between the two teams. It has been 22 years since a new name was written on the trophy, and so historic was the feat that the passion of the fans flowed over onto the field as supporters celebrated with the players.
Look at what happened after the game. They said it's the first time in the history I've ever seen the fans, the stadium emptied. Everybody was on the pitch. It's the first time. So proud of all of them. So proud of my country, so proud of my players. All of them fought. All of them stuck to the system, stuck to the task, did their job. Proud of my coaching staff. Without them, I couldn't have done it.
Hydel coach Devon Anderson was visibly disappointed at the result for his team.
I mean, at this moment, I don't even know what to say. We know that we didn't score and we lost the game. Second half, we came out, we fought hard, couldn't get the ball in the back of the net. Yeah, man, credit to the boys, they fought hard, you know. Just unfortunately that we gave up a goal and couldn't get back.
Mona's celebrations were, however, overshadowed by the cancellation of the presentation ceremony due to several crowd disruptions.
When there's a breakdown where spectators can go on a field, it can't be the team that is responsible for security. It has to be the organizers. So the part about people jumping the fence and coming over and running onto the field, that is something that Issa will have to look at. But at this point in time, since my players are not responsible for the spectators running onto the field, then my players cannot be denied the, enjoying the ceremony and accepting that trophy and, celebrating like what other teams do.
The Intersecondary Schools Sports Association ISSA did not immediately respond to the post-match situation. Mona's next assignment will be the Olivier Shield on Wednesday against the Da Costa Cup champions. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.